This is a song about separation from the homeland. An anthem for ethnic Tatars from Crimea, the historic victims of mass deportation. The song performed by two musicians who've come together from opposite ends of the Crimean Tatar diaspora.
That was lovely. Lovely. What is the name of the song?
Hey, beautiful Crimea.
Beautiful Crimea.
The Soviets deported pianist Mehmet Jafarov's family in boxcars from Crimea to Central Asia in 1944. While nearly half a century earlier, the violinist's family fled Russia's occupation of the Crimean Peninsula to Turkey, where Metin Batur was later born and raised. Just talking about his visits to Crimea brings tears to his eyes.
Did you like it? Did you feel at home?
I like so much, really.
Really? Why?
Because they are my country.
Можно посмотреть? Вы можете мне объяснить? Да? Let's go. We're going to go see some Crimean Tatar food.
At the Crimean Tatar Cultural Association in Istanbul, members of the diaspora gather to cook traditional dumplings and talk about the recent Russian military occupation of their homeland. Everyone worries about relatives back home.
So, Munera is telling me that she's terribly worried right now because her pregnant daughter is back in Crimea, and she says the area is surrounded by armed men, by the military, by troops, and she's terrified that a war is going to break out.
In a room filled with paintings depicting Joseph Stalin's deportation of hundreds of thousands of Tatars, these women have a message for Vladimir Putin.
So the women are saying again and again, Putin, leave us alone, leave Crimea alone.
Though they are a minority on the peninsula, the Tatars view themselves as the indigenous people of Crimea. Current Russian moves to annex their homeland have reignited the Tatars' historic distrust of Moscow, reviving painful memories that continue to be remembered in music and in song. Ivan Watson, CNN, Istanbul.